Okay, here's a quick video on how to rename a long file. Sometimes when we go to archive, we get an error message that the file names are too long. And usually it comes from the fact that I've got a super long file name in addition to a super long path. So here's how you fix that. A quick little way, a little tip. So come up here and copy the file name. So just select up there, click over here and right click and go copy or control C. Then come to your My Computer right here, right click and say map a network drive. It'll show you a free file name. Doesn't matter what this drive number is. Come in here and do a paste and then hit finish. What that'll do is it'll map a drive to that location. That's this drive right here. And now it's really this drive name, U for me, that is going to here. So now if you click on this and right click, you have the option to rename it and change it to something smaller or delete it or whatever you want to do. And then once you're done doing that, you can then right click and you can disconnect and it'll remove that file connection. So that's how you do it. Just copy this path, make a new map drive, make your changes, then disconnect from that map drive. And that'll get you where you want to go to fix the file names. All right, thank you very much.